They have requested that the team will camp in Doha without the media. Everything will be done by the GFA media, and that will be posted across platforms.
So 1 point to buy. Nastila no sa Akropong kuno almost almost share economy. Almost the question Nigeria ko wake up. Who say omolet was a wuntem. Omolet was a wuntem. But just a sosa. Who should know maybe a $25 million in less than a month to the Kobobo. The Koshia back where the Koem 10 million years spend 15. And then I can have qualifying series. America Nigeria last one. The Nigeria last one.
Okoman Global Sports.
$25 million. You deal with Ghana. That's a wake up. Performance go show Cameroon. What they call wake up already. So feel say still as I said, who go share with dollars now bad there. And you're not just as well be our supporter. As I said, still I know. If you don't name you no so back Ghana. And as I say, sick and you're born by. Now what the maintenance $25 million in less than a month. Yeah, the Bia Akuffo and the Akuffo Yafa Preguama. Ya map players in $20,000 equal. In those aspects, I show economies, you know. No teacher for wuntem. I teach a wuntem. Want to mean that's economy way. Player or Okoman, one co bomb modern grammar $20,000.
Black Stars, the Machine was our #1 goalkeeper, the most reliable pair of hands. And also he was doing very, very well. Players felt very, very comfortable with him. But injury is part of the game. But we thank God that he's back. And for me, once a soldier, always a soldier. We share Richard Ofori and his, exploits. The sense that when he went to injury, we monitored him and we saw how his recovery, the way they took care of him, and it was great. And his rehabilitation was fantastic. He's a professional team, and I honestly say he's a professional player. Also, and I think that the process has been very, 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 very good. It is not his career the difficult aspect. When you say goalkeeping, it goes with a lot of things, and we are supposed to minimize younger mistakes.
I have told you, Paul, the problem with Ghana's football has coaching is only an aspect. We have the dynamics of the team itself, the players, and this juju pit is not something that you can push away. And also because the juju thing pushes a lot of good players away from Ghana. Because at the end of the day, even if you have an excellent coach, he's not the one who's going to put the ball in the net. If the players don't want to play, they wouldn't play. And that's it. And if the players wake up in the night and they are being disturbed by a malam, they will not play. That's a fact, and it disrupts the chemistry in the team. And as I say,
is that true? This malam thing in the competition?
Go and find out. You know it's true. Of course, you know it's true. Why you didn't?
No, I didn't see the malam. I've heard the story.
Well, you go and find out. Ask these things. You know.
Why does the malam make noise at dawn?
You go and find out where he makes the noise. You talk to people; they will tell you.
Noise in the hotel.
Well, go and find out because you will get the facts. The point is, we've had psychological problems with the team. That was documented in 2013 after the Cup of Nations.
Yes.
The juju thing was written in black and white. We've not solved it. If we don't, it's going to hurt us. And as I said, it's pushing some good players away from the team. I have told you, Paul, the problem with Ghana's football has coaching is only an aspect. We have the dynamics of the team itself, the players, and this juju pit is not something.
Okoman Global Sports.
And also because the juju thing pushes a lot of good players away from Ghana.